Very good evening, everyone. This is Manas from the hospitality desk. Yes, today we are going to discuss about training, some restaurant training और होटल ट्रेनिंग. ट्रेनिंग तो सबने सुना ही होंगे, लेकिन आज हम बात करेंगे क्रॉस ट्रेनिंग के बारे में. क्रॉस ट्रेनिंग सबने सुना नहीं होंगे. क्रॉस ट्रेनिंग होता क्या है, इसका बेनिफिट क्या है, बीइंग एज ए होटल व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट, being as a management what is the benefit for doing cross training, being as an employee of a organization what is the benefit for doing a cross training. This is what we are going to explore today. So a restaurant or a hotel, whenever we are talk about the cross training process technique for a employee's performance, okay, it is always a multiple role within a restaurant, within a department or other department, or within one hotel and other hotel. It's improve flexibility, efficiency and teamwork while reducing labor cost and employee burnout. Maybe there is a less of staff, or more work is there. On that time you can use your brain, being as a manager or supervisor. You can do the cross training in between your staff. It will give you more output for your worker or employees. So we will see today what all are the benefits, is there for the cross training. So first of all, the first benefits of cross training is operational flexibility. Like a staff can step in when needed, reducing the disreputation. Okay, a staff can step into the work, he can do some extra work when you will feel more flexibility in your operation. All right, next is better teamwork. If you put cross training, your team building will be more confident, people will be talk each other, there will be team building will be more improved. Okay, employees understand the different roles, leading to more cooperations. Like one staff used to check the work for other staff. If you talk about a restaurant may be different work. Someone used to do the buffet setup, and someone used to do the side station setup, someone used to do the table setup. So what you have to do, being as a manager or executive, whatever it is, you just need to send the staff for cross training. Like who had completed the buffet setup, you can tell him to check the table setup, or who is completed the table setup, you can tell him to check the back area. So what will happen, they will go to different places and they will find lots of mistake or the things what can be improved. So what will happen, you will find more points for your improvement. So what will happen, there more work will be done at a time, and your work also will be finished before time. Next is your cost efficiency. When reduces the need for extra hire of overtime. Okay, maybe this much time it is there, it will take 4 hours to finish the work, but you don't have a time 4 hours. So what you can do, you can put all the people together. You can make the work done within 3 hours, or you can make the work done within 4 hours, but just you need to do the cross training. So you can get the cost efficiency by reducing the extras. All right, next is your employee growth. What? Employees growth. Of course, whenever the employee will work one place to another place, maybe I am the person who used to look after the buffet every day, but today my manager told me, please check the table setup. So today I'll go and I'll check all the individual table what already said. I'll came to know what exactly is there, how to do the setup, and what mistake is there. So what will happen, so my skill will be gain, I'll gain a new skill. Okay, I'll gain a new skill, and I'll find more confident with me. Yes, I learned something today. This is how your employee will growth. Next is improved customer service satisfaction or improve customer service. Whenever a well-rounded staff ensure smoother service, a staff will check another time to another person work, there will be, of course there will be improved for the customer service as well as there everything will be ensured perfect, nothing will be wrong, people will be check again and again. So here it will be going to affect to your customer service as well as, this is what I am going to say. So basically what all are the areas you can do the cross training, we will see today. There is many areas where you can do the cross training, like front of the house, okay, service, hostess, bartender, basar. Back of the house, if you talk about, then the cooks who is prepare the food for the guest, dishwashing area, the dishwasher, and the main role for the restaurant, like cashier who is handling the cash and all, and who is pick upping the food, the runner, and the table attendants. So these all the areas you can swipe the people, you can tell them to do the cross training. Okay, how to implement cross training, how being as a manager or being as a executive or restaurant in charge, how we are going to implement these things in your restaurant, this is more important. Otherwise तो कुछ होगा ही नहीं, आप अगर implement नहीं करेंगे, आपको पता नहीं होगा कैसे implement करना है, तो ये कभी हो ही नहीं सकता. तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए implement कैसे करना है. Okay, access the strength and interest in between the employees is more important. Okay, identify employee who want to learn new role. Of course, you must know that under you maybe 10 staff or 20 staff is working, who is more interested, who want to learn the bartender job, who want to learn the executive job, or which executive want to learn the manager's job. You have to find those people. These people will be give you more output. They are very much interested to learn the new things. You have to give them a task slowly. Okay, and next is start very small, like introducing one role at a time to avoid overwhelming the staff. Of course, at a time you can tell only one new things to one staff. You cannot bring the notice to one staff all the things at a time together. No, you give the task one by one. So what will happen? They will learn slowly. It will be very smoothly for you. Next is pair with experienced employee. Use shadowing the monitorship. Of course, you have to monitor after putting someone as a cross training. After assign someone as a cross training, you have to do the monitor on them. Use hands on training. Practical experience is more important. You have to put as a practical. Today you do that, tomorrow you do that. Okay, you finish that today, tomorrow you will do that, like this only. Okay, next is monitor progress. Provide feedback and incentives for improvement is main things. You have to give some incentives to the staff also, so they will be get more motivation from you. If you give some gift or something, so they will get more motivational. Okay, so these all are the things I'll tell you from my experience to all of the hoteliers or supervisor, managers or executive, whosoever is seeing my videos, what exactly you have to do for the cross training. You have to put this cross training in your post allocation, like after breakfast, before going break, after lunch, before starting the dinner. Okay, after finish the dinner, post dinner allocation, you have to apply that cost training. Like, okay, in the post allocation we have assigned the people, someone is doing buffet, someone is having doing restaurant setup, someone is doing hostess job, someone is doing site station job. So when they complete, they came to know, sir, my work is done, shall I go for break? You just wrote the people, like who has finished the buffet, tell him to just check the table setup and let me know what all the mistake is there. Then they will go and check the restaurant setup. They will tell you, okay, that table, that mistake is there, aligned table, aligned is not there, so and so problem is there. Then you will come to know and you have to fix that problem. So this is how it is going to work. Same things you can do after lunch, post lunch allocation or post dinner allocation. So this is going to give you more output to run a restaurant cross training. Here cross training is more important to develop your restaurant operation or hotel operation, or employee will gain new idea or new technical skill every day. They also will get motivated, and being as an employee you also get output from your employee. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly bear with us, kindly let us know by doing the comment what all the video you want to know, which kind of video you are looking from the hospitality desk. Thank you so much.